Hi.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Sin.
Sheen. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
So you're 7 years old. And what are the foods you like to eat?
I like fried chicken.
Fried chicken. What animals do you like?
I like tiger.
Tiger. Do you like elephant?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. How about dogs? Do you like dogs?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Are you ready for your speaking test?
Yes.
Say yes, I am. Are you
Yes,
ready?
I am.
Okay, there you go. Let's start. Okay. Now I have here a picture. Okay, what do you see in the picture? What?
I can see the pool, the
Okay.
ball, a
Okay.
crocodile,
Okay, crocodile.
chair.
How many chairs are there?
There are 2 chairs.
Okay. Tell me something about the weather. How's the weather? Is it rainy,
No.
sunny, cloudy?
Yes. It's a sunny.
It's a sunny. There you go. Now, look at the girl. What is she wearing?
She is wearing the yellow short.
Okay, and
the blue shirt.
okay, how about this one? The girl with black hair. What is she wearing?
She is wearing a red t-shirt.
Okay, and where is she? Where is she?
She is in the pool.
Okay, in the pool. How about her? Who is she?
She is with a book.
Okay, she's reading a book. Maybe she's the mother of the two girls. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, how many people are there in the picture?
There are 3 people.
Okay, 3 people. How about the crocodile? What can you say about the crocodile?
The crocodile is hello the girl.
Okay, the crocodile is waving to the girl in the pool. Okay, I see. Now, how about this one? What color is this?
This is
what color? Okay, it's red and
white.
White. Okay, how about the flower? Can you see any flowers?
Yes.
Where? Where are the flowers? Flowers.
The flower in the basket.
Okay, what color is the flower?
The flower is yellow.
Okay, yellow. There you go. Now, I have here smaller pictures. Okay, now what is this?
This is a lemon.
It's a lemon. I want you to put the lemon on the table. Okay, very good. How about the next picture? Where is the bicycle? Where is the bicycle?
Here.
Here, okay. Now, I want you to put the bicycle next to the mom.
Here.
Okay, very good. Next one. A bag. Brown bag.
Here.
Okay, I want you to put it under the table.
Here.
Okay, very good. And what's this?
This is a guitar.
Guitar. Okay, how about this one?
This is the dress.
Okay, what color is the dress?
This is red.
It's red. Okay, now I want you to put the dress behind the girl wearing eyeglasses.
Here.
Behind. Okay, there you go. Next one, how about a mobile phone?
Here.
Here. I want you to put it on the chair. Okay, on one of the chairs. Very good. Oh, great job. That's all for your speaking test. You did a great job, Sheen. Give me 2 high fives. Okay, goodbye and see you next time.
Goodbye.